what I would recommend, and one thing in particular that I personally have been really focusing on that especially during this time, is LinkedIn.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Yeah, it's an incredible platform. People are there to connect. It's very business oriented, but it's becoming more and more personal. For so many years, I felt like it wasn't acceptable to have anything personal on there. But more so than ever, people are posting about their personal life. They're looking to connect with people because, networking is great. Mm-hmm. And I did a lot of it when I first, especially moved down here. I'm originally from Boston. When you're first kind of finding your bearing. But a lot of networking is more of like a hard sale. LinkedIn has become more of an approachable way, and the way that you go about it is more of a way of discovery. And what's great is people that you connect with, you can actually create an entire database from information of people that you're connecting with on LinkedIn to be able to create an email database, and to be able to, if you have a new piece of work, being able to showcase that new work. But it's not just showing a picture of that piece of work. And it's actually something that I've commented to Jackie, something that I think that she does really well, that I think it's a more recent thing, correct me if I'm wrong, but she's showing product that is actually staged, like on a wall in a lifelike setting, because that is what is relatable. And everything that we do doesn't matter on what platform. Bless you.
Thank you.
So it's being relatable and creating something that someone can envision in their own home, to showcase in another light.
Well, something, Adam, I actually looked you up on LinkedIn, and I'm waiting for you to respond.
I just did.
You did?
I actually just saw it as I was waiting. Like 5 minutes before you brought me on, I did see that come through, and I did accept.
I told you not to.
Yeah.
He's like, don't work with him. He's no good.